Alright, tech enthusiasts, buckle up because today, I'm diving into some of the most exclusive future gadgets that you can only find in the USA. These aren't your run-of-the-mill devices, these are game changers. Let's get started. First up, we have the Tesla bot. Yes, you heard that right. Tesla's not just about electric cars and rockets anymore. The Tesla bot is a humanoid robot designed to handle tasks that are, well, too boring or dangerous for us humans. Imagine having a personal assistant that can lift heavy objects, run errands, or even do your grocery shopping. It's still in development, but the future looks mind-blowingly convenient. Next, let's talk about the Apple Glass. Forget your iPhone. This is the next big thing from Apple. These smart glasses are packed with augmented reality features that seamlessly integrate with your daily life. Think of it as having your smartphone and computer right in front of your eyes without ever having to pull out a device. Navigation, notifications, even FaceTime calls, all hands-free and in real time. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Now let's move on to the Amazon Astro. This little guy is a home robot designed to keep you connected and safe. With its advanced AI, Astro can patrol your home, check in on loved ones, and even alert you to any suspicious activity. Plus, it's Alexa-enabled, so it can control your smart home devices and answer your questions. It's like having a loyal watchdog, but smarter and way more adorable. And how about the Google Project Starline? This is Google's take on making long-distance communication more intimate. Using advanced 3D imaging and real-time compression, Project Starline creates a holographic chat experience that feels like you're sitting across from the other person. Whether you're catching up with family or having a business meeting, the level of realism is just astounding. Last but not least, we have the SpaceX Starlink satellite internet. High-speed internet wherever you are, even in the most remote corners of the USA. With thousands of low Earth orbit satellites, Starlink promises to deliver fast, reliable internet to places where traditional ISPs can't reach. This could be a total game changer for rural areas and future space travelers alike. So there you have it, some of the most exclusive, futuristic gadgets that are redefining technology, available only in the USA. I hope you're as excited as I am about these innovations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.